Hello, I'm Dr. J, and this is the Volatility Sonar Report. The reason it's so important for you is this is like a heartbeat for the market, folks. It tells you whether or not we expect the market to go up higher dramatically or down lower dramatically. As VIX moves up, they're expecting dramatic moves. As VIX moves down, that means volatility is going to be more stable. The markets are going to be more stable. Here's today's report.
Welcome, this is your Option Monster Volatility Sonar Report. From the floor of the SIBO, I'm Jamie Tyrrell with Group 1 Trading. Well, the Wells Fargo news that they are posting a record first quarter earnings has really invigorated the market. The S&P 500 is up 2.5%, and in the VIX, we're finally seeing a real decline in volatility. So the VIX cash number has moved down to about 37.5. Now, although that is well through 40, it's a bit overstated because we're right in front of a 3-day weekend. The VIX cash always goes down a little bit ahead of 3-day weekends because people are pricing in very little volatility over the 3 non-trading days. So although the VIX cash is down around 37.5, the future is at 39. Still 39, breaking through that 40 barrier. In April, we are really approaching expiration. We have the rest of today, Friday, then we have Monday and Tuesday, and we settle on the opening print Wednesday. We are seeing probably the lowest volatility I've seen in a front month in the front month option market in April right now. It's almost as if people are pricing in very little to no movement in the VIX over the next half of a week. For example, although we're drifting down and the VIX cash is now at 37.5, if you look at the April 37.5 puts, they are really picking up almost no value as the VIX has gone from the mid 40s down below 40. Those are trading 50 cents right now. Yesterday, we pulled them down 10 vol points, and today they're down almost another 10. They're trading at sub 60 volatility, which is very unusual for a strike in the front month with 2.5 trading days today to go. It seems that people are almost pricing a floor in the April VIX. Where they're not pricing a floor and where we are seeing a ton of activity is our furthest out month, September. Somebody bought 50,000 September 30 puts. So this is a big play, perhaps a hedge, somebody buying something downside in the VIX, guarding against possibly a lower VIX going forward. They bought 50,000 for 97 cents, and they are still quoting it in the crowd. It was a single customer that bought them all, and then there was a seller on the other side. The crowd did very minimal on this. Crowd traded about 1,000, and 49,000 was done with an off-floor contraparty. So two very big players trading those Sept 30 puts. One buying 97 cents, the other willing to let them go right there. So that's what we've seen so far today. The April VIX, really less volatility going into expiration, and in the back months, people starting to look below 40 into the 30 range and trading those strikes down there. This is Jamie Tyrrell, Group 1 with Option Monster.